Hello all. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ashish Khare, and today I again came up with one new life learning which I would like to share with you all. So today's we are living, modern age, and everyone want to be I mean, good successful person, right, in their career, in his career and all. But nowadays, what is happening, suppose any child before the born itself, their parents wants his son or his daughter will become a doctor. His son will be a engineer, girl will be a doctor, or a scientist or astronaut. Many things is happening nowadays, before the birth itself, for their child. So the child is very, when he came in the land, right, they are demanding like, before I didn't came at, and they wanted to become a doctor or they wanted to become a engineer, but he wanted to do something else in their life, right. Maybe he can become a good cricketer, good dancer, good singer and all, but no. Day by day, what is happening, he has birth has completed, right, and he has started his schooling life, like first class he has admitted, second class, third class, fourth class, like this it was happening, right. And fifth class, suppose he has given exam, somehow he has not able to get the good scores and all in their schooling. The parents will scold like anything. Hey, you have to become a doctor, you have to become a engineer, and you are getting this much score. How will you become like that person and all in his kind? He was getting some frustrations, right? Definitely will get some frustration. Like, he don't want to become an engineer. Why are you demanding like, you have to be, right? So he wanted to become a different person in his career, in his life, right. And you are forcefully attacking him like, you have to become an engineer, but he don't want to become, right. And sixth class happening, seventh class has completed, eighth class, ninth class, 10th class, again 10th class he will, the parents again, now there will be a choice like maths or bio. 11th class, right, maths, bio. If you want to become an engineer, forcefully they will provide you, they will tell you like, hey, you have to take the maths. You don't want to take the maths. Why are you demanding it? Why are you forcefully saying like, you have to take this? The similar in girls case or in boys case, or doctor, for doctor take bio, take that one, or commerce or anything. But they don't want to be like that person. Why are you forcefully saying them? So here the learning is, whatever your child want to do in their life, just give him support. Give him support, like, I would like to share one, some of the examples. They have done a tremendous job in their careers. The first, Sachin Tendulkar, he has never done schooling, completed his schooling, and he is leading India in, he was a good cricketer. He We are calling is a master, right, god of cricket. And he never gone school, never has completed his schooling, and he is having a good scores, hundred century. He is the top most batsman of India, and he wanted to do what he want to do in his life. Their parents, their family people has supported a lot. His brother Ajit Tendulkar has supported a lot for him. His father has supported a lot. The second, Virat Kohli. Virat Kohli has also, he has never completed his schooling, but he is a captain of Indian cricket, and he is a top most batsman of India. But he wanted to, play for the India, right, and he is now here. You know what happened in his life. uh, his father was, a dad, and at that time he was playing for the under 19. one of the cricket match was happening, and he got the news like his father has been expired, but again he was playing for the India. I mean, he was playing cricket. He has scored well, and then morning he went back to their home for that. So the we wanted to be like that person, right? So we should not demand, like we should not forcefully tell like their sons like you have to be that person or that person. So here the learning is, um, whatever you want to feel happy, like in inner peace. Suppose you want to become a good dancer, and the peace is coming to you like, yes, if I become a dancer, then my uh, I will be feeling like very happy. Maybe it cannot be by becoming a engineer. Suppose you have become no. Suppose if you wanted to become a software engineer, so before that itself, don't see. My concern is, don't choose your career if someone is telling to you. Choose your career by yourself. First, figure out what you want to do in your life. The uh, main thing is this only. We are failing in this period of time. I mean, suppose your friend has taken. Now I am coming to the next. Point. Like suppose your friend has taken a maths, and your parents also will tell you like, hey, you choose the maths, and there are a lot of scopes. You will become a software engineer, or you will become an engineer, or any kind of things. The forcefully you have taken it because your parents, your friends also taken. You also have taken, but you're interested something else, and this and similar cases happened in different situation also. When you entered in the maths, and day by day you are getting some, hey, why I chosen math, why are like that, the questions will come to you, and you will not able to perform good. So very very carefully, and what the I mean choose whatever you want feel. I mean, if something is giving you happiness, choose that one. For career also, because career is the most important thing in your in whole life. If you don't become any kind of things, like if you don't prove to the society, like uh, so this is important actually. And first you have to some become something in your life, then only the society will respect you. Otherwise they will not respect at all. So be focused about what you want to do in your life. So this was my learning, so I wanted to share with you all. And choose whatever you want to feel. I mean, whatever coming to you, and you're feeling happy, that one you do. And yes, so this is my life learning and key learning for you. Suppose if I take my example, I wanted to become a software engineer only. I never written any kind of banking exam, never kind of SSC exam in my whole life. Only I wanted to be a software engineer, so I prepared myself like that. In after 12th, have completed, I entered into IT. Entered into engineering. One mistake I did, I have to be took the CS or IT, but unfortunately I was not aware at that time, so I took electronics background, electronics and communication. But yes, okay, that is okay. But again, after that, I prepared myself to get something in my life. I prepared myself in software side, and I was preparing like programming languages and other stuffs for getting into the IT industry. So choose your career, choose your path, what you want to do in your life, right? So this was the learning for me. So I would like, yeah, I shared to you all. Thanks for watching my channel. Again, I will come to you with again life learning. So stay tuned with me. Thank you very much for watching my channel. Thank you very much. Stay with me. Thank you.